All right, YouTube, back with another video. There's the big Ram. We did this in 2016 or 17. It's a 12, but anyway, brand new motor, transmission, rear end. We customized the whole front of this thing. Then come on in here real quick. It's not much, but this is what we do. Oh, there's the queen right there, the red eye. Nick Williams throttle body. It's been all ported out. The snout, got the pulley, E85. I go on for half an hour. The rear end, everything in the rear has been replaced. Drive shaft, you name it. Waiting for the Whipple Supercharger. If anybody out there knows what's going on with Whipple, I paid in May and I'm still waiting for my Whipple Supercharger. I guess there's a lot of problems with them. If anybody else is having that experience, let me know. Kind of curious. I mean, I call them, they say it's on order, but when am I going to get my supercharger? I'm wondering. But anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And we'll be back with another video.